Hi guys, welcome back to Loudly Car Drivers. Today I finally got my new modification. Yes, and what is it? It's my taillights. They are not from Yugen, they're not from Sonar or HRS, the V1s. No, it's like the V1s, that is, but just from China. And why I did it from China? Because they were cheaper. My it costed 279 euros, and you see it's looking the same like sonars, but this button, I don't know what it is. That makes me curious. I think it is to put on the intro of Lightning on the back. We will see. But it's not the only thing I'm going to put on it. I'm going to put the bumper lights on as well. And I'm only going to use my brake lights. I'm not going to use the side markers or just the lightning. I'm going to use my brake lights. Why? Because I'm going to do this also. Going to do this install with this together, and it will be doing something you will see later on this video. So now we are going to install everything on the car.
Come on, turn the radio on. It's Friday night and I won't be long. Gotta do my hair, put my makeup on. It's Friday night and I won't be long till I hit the dance floor, hit the dance floor. I got all I need. No, I ain't got cash, but I got you, baby.
Just you,
Baby, I don't need dollar bills 'cause I'm fun tonight. Baby, I don't need dollar bills 'cause I'm fun tonight. I don't need no money as long as I get dancing. Come on, turn the radio on. It's Saturday and I won't be long. Gotta paint my nails, put my high heels on. It's Saturday and I won't be long till I hit the dance floor, hit the dance floor. I got all I need.
see,
I ain't got cash, I got you, baby. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? I can really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? I can really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now.
yeah. Somebody take me back to the days before this was a job, before I got paid, before it ever mattered what I had in my bank. Yeah, back when I was trying to get a tip at Subway, and back when I was rapping for the hell of it. But nowadays we rapping to stay relevant. I'm guessing that if we can make some wishes out of airplanes, then maybe, maybe I go back to the days before the politics that we call the rap game. And back when ain't nobody listened to my mixtape. And back before I tried to cover up my slang. But this is motivator, what's up, Bobby Break. So can I get a wish to end the politics and get back to the music that started this shit? So here I stand, and then again I say, I'm hoping we can make some wishes out of airplanes, wishes out of airplanes. Yeah. You want more than diamond, more than gold. Just take control. Me and you, girl, you and me. Jump into the floor and make me see your energy because me not play no hide and seek. Pop into the thing you have and make me feel weak, girl. Free. Cause anytime I whine and catch it, the selector pull it up and put it on repeat, girl. Me not touch a dollar in my pocket, cause nothing in this world ain't more than what you worth. You want more than diamond, more than gold. Make the beat just take control. You want more than diamond, more than gold.
So guys, everything is done, everything is on, and it works. So that's a good sign for me. Was it hard to do it? No, actually not. You have to think, but it's easy. Some couple of bolts you have to lose. The hard thing it was for the cable, for your side markers, that you have to do it on the trunk when the rubber, click it open, put the cable between it, go, and you will see then it's going with the flow. No, it's not going with the flow, but that's the only thing you have to think about it. And also maybe when you are putting the lights, you have to see for the cables. When I was doing it, and then I had a problem. Oh no, my brake light didn't work, and oh, this doesn't work. So what I've done, I put all of my lights on, put it in, and I see, oh, the light's going on. Okay, next, and that was the best thing I can do. So that's maybe a tip. You just putting your lights on, and that's the easy way. The thing with the button, I make a hole in my rubber, and so I can do it in the trunk, put it on and off. So when I do it off, it will be like this. The side markers go like this, smoothly, and I got the intro. And I do it off, on, then it's a normal lightning, not lights. So the normal lights, when your light's going on, it's normal, not a no intro with it. Okay, well, I put it on. It's nice to see when it's going to be dark, and in the back you're going to see this. Oh, I think they will like it also. The next thing, my bumper lights. I didn't put them on. I put them on. I bolted on, and I was looking at it. It was ugly at first. The second thing, it was loose. I do not know why, but it was loose. It was not with click. You just had one bolt to put it on, and that's all. Didn't click it on the bottom side, and if it will click on the bottom side, then it was not so loose. So maybe I will left it then, but not now. So I put it off. I will look for maybe something else to put on. That's now, I will see. So yes, what do you want to know next? I think that's it. Everything works for so look maybe for cheaper ones. I think it's all the same. So you will save a lot of money. I hope when it's raining that it's gonna not be wet inside, but I will see that soon because in Belgium it's always raining. So okay guys, I think that it was it. My next video I will do my rear engine mount. This. I'm gonna test this because I was reading when you have wheel spin, your car is going, and with this it helps not doing it. It will do it a little bit more, but not so much like you have now. But that's for the next video, and we shall see. So thank you for watching again. Have a nice day, and I will see you soon.